Hello guys, welcome back to the online help guide. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to install the Keplr wallet app. Start by opening your device's Play Store. Tap on the top search bar. Following that, type Keplr wallet app. Then tap search. We are going to get the application downloaded. To install, simply tap on the install icon beside the app. While installing, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Now let it start downloading. Tap open once the download is complete. Now you may follow the instructions to register or log in to access the app. You may now follow the instructions to register or log in to access the app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.